Why we had a huge wall collapse today? This is a beautiful video. I'll give the link here, and also you can visit the website. It's important that you know that why these things happen. As we know, this volcano is in a region that is actually over the mid-Atlantic ridge. The volcanism in this area is very silica poor. Silica is a kind of polymer. When it is a lot of it, these molecules of silica join together, and like branches of a tree, they actually thicken and make it difficult to flow. When the silica content is low, this kind of sticky gluiness and entanglement of the molecules of the whatever is there, this lava, is difficult. So they are not very stable. They're like a saliva compared with a boogie, if I say that. And the saliva, of course, cannot hold on. It's not a good glue. Low silica volcano is not also good glue. And as such, it cannot hold the material together. This lava cannot hold itself together. It's not very strong. It's very brittle. It's very unstable. It collapses with every chance it has. Under gravity of the earth, it collapses.